This is the spindle with speed display. Unpack and take out all the accessories. User manual. Accessory set. 11.5-foot cable. Spindle. This is the packing list. A 1/4 inch AA collet is included in the nut, and you can replace it with another one if needed. Let's start the installation. Install the spindle with speed display. Tighten the screws. Connect the spindle with the machine's cables. Below is the test of the 6 speed levels of the spindle with speed display. Turn on the switch. Then you can see the real-time changes in speed.